Hi, this is Sylvia Sanchez. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. Thanks for stopping by DIY Stamping Fun, my website, to watch my unboxing the new holiday catalog items. I just received them and I'm excited to see and share what I received with you. So first, you get to see it first. As an independent demonstrator, you get to pre-order your items so we can make samples and share with everyone. Okay, so this I just had to have. It is the Claremont Buffalo Check background stamp. This is so amazing because with this stamp you can make all kinds of buffalo check backgrounds, and that's very trendy right now. Received, since I'll be working on a lot of holiday items, I had to have the red rhinestones. These are the basic jewels, very shiny, very pretty. Also part of an embellishment, these are the Santa's Workshop enamel shapes. There's trees, snowflakes, red bows, white, green, and red enamel dots. Can't wait to use those. And this is an awesome Swirls and Curls Textured Impressions embossing folder. So this is just kind of lots of swirls and curls, and I can't wait to use this also. This is everyone is raving about this. This is the Tin Tile Dynamic Textured Impressions embossing folder. And when you hear the word dynamic, that's different from a regular embossing folder. This is a regular embossing folder. I hope I can show you the difference between them. So, it's the same thickness as a regular embossing folder, okay? This, the dynamic textured embossing folders, are very thick. So when you run them through your Big Shot, there's a big difference. Here you use 2 cutting plates, and with the dynamics you only use 1 plate. But this is amazing. This looks like those old tin tile ceilings. I can't wait to use this. And then I have the Merry Christmas thin lip dies. These are also amazing. They coordinate with the Merry Christmas, sorry for the glare, the Merry Christmas to All set. So there's tons of great greetings here. Christmas, Merry, Happy, which is great because you can always use it for happy birthday at another, if you have another birthday stamp. Wishing you peace and love all year long. Holidays, happy holidays. May the beauty of the season fill your heart with joy. Season's greetings from our house to yours. There's a little frame. And then all these Christmas words. Christmas blessings, holiday, wishing from us to you. Bright, very, merry, cheer, happy, have a, you a, wishes, and very. But the really cool part, this is a bundle, and these are the Merry Christmas thinlets. And the thinlets, this is a big Christmas. The word is Christmas here. It's holidays, merry, happy, and then there's 2 frames that coordinate with the words from the Merry Christmas to All bundle. So this is amazing. This is probably my favorite. It's the Dashing Deer Claremont stamp set. It also is part of a bundle. Can you see that? It's got 2 deer. This deer has got this really cool pattern. There's some poinsettias up here. It's an awesome set. Sorry guys about the glare, but this is not rehearsed. Here's the coordinating detail deer thinlits with the Dashing Deer. Oh my God. There's all these little, looks like for corners, lots of little poinsettias or poinsettias. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice sized small enough for tags and also for cards and scrapbooking. And here it is. This is the holiday catalog. 30 years of living creatively. I got tongue-tied, I'm so excited. So this is amazing. If you're one of my customers, I have ordered them for you. So you should be receiving them pretty soon, or at least in mid-August. Here are the rest of the catalogs I ordered. Some of the other fun things I ordered was these new, oh my gosh, Festive Farmhouse Cotton Twine. It looks to be thicker. They appear to be thicker than the regular baker's twine. Yeah, it is. It's a beautiful color. It comes in, I think it's cherry cobbler. Cherry cobbler. I don't remember what green this is. And white. But it is cotton. And you get 3 of them. And they're perfect for all your holiday cards. And then this is the galvanized, I know you can't see this because of the glare, and it's a foil type paper. But it's called galvanized metallic paper. It's a silver, but more of, I guess it really does look like galvanized, like a galvanized bucket. I bought this because I thought it would look great with the embossing folder that the tin tile. This is going to be awesome. So make sure you subscribe to my website, DIY Stamping Fun. There's a pop-up. Subscribe to my website so that you can see all the stuff I'll be making with the incredible catalog. If you don't have a demonstrator and you'd like to work with me, please leave me a comment. Go to my website, www.diystampingfun.com, and there'll be a pop-up where it'll ask you to include your email to receive my newsletter and blog updates. Okay, you want to make sure you do that so that you can see all the really cool things from the holiday catalogs. I'll be sharing a lot with you. Thanks for stopping by. Talk to you later. Bye.